alternate angles. Here AB and CD are parallel lines and PQ is the transversal. Transversal means the line cutting these lines at M and N, 2 points. Here this angle PMA is given as 130 degree. We have to find out the measure of all the other angles in this figure and we have to pair it as alternate angles and find its specialities, and we have to write the name and measure of each angle in the pair. Now this first angle is, it is a linear pair. This angle is a linear pair. That means 180 minus 130 degree. So that angle is, yes, 50 degree. And this one is 130 degree. How? In two ways we can calculate: opposite angle or linear pair. Then this angle is 50 degree. That also opposite angle or the linear pair, in this way or in this way. Anyway, it is 50 degree. Now let us see the measure of this angle. PQ is making the same slope with the parallel lines AB and CD. Here the same slope. So this angle is 50 degree. 50 degree. Then the linear pair, the opposite angle, the linear pair. In the same way we have to find out there also. Let us write the measurements: 130 degree opposite angles, 50 degree opposite angles or linear pair. Anyway, now let us see which are the, let us pair the equal angles in a reverse order. That is, let us see all these interior angles. 4 angles are inside the line AB and CD. So they are called interior angles. So this interior angles which are equal 50 degree, 50 degree. That is, one is the left of PQ and the other is at the right of PQ, and one is at the point M and the other is at the point N. So these are alternate interior angles, or if you are saying simply alternate angles, that also will do. So that is in the alternate angles. And here the other pair, equal angle, is paired in a reverse order. One is in this side, the other is in this side. One is here at a AB at the point M and here it is at the point N. So alternate interior angles pair. Then alternate exterior angles. These are exterior angles. Exterior to the line AB and exterior to the line CD. Then which are the equal angles? Here this angle, angle PMA or angle AMP. In two ways an angle can be named, that you know, no? So angle QND or angle DNQ. It is 130 degree. Alternate exterior angles. And the other pair is 50 degree. Here this one, angle CNQ or angle QNC. Here angle PMB or angle BMP. Anyway, M is at the midpoint. Okay, is the vertex. Now let us write it in parallel lines only. These alternate angles will be equal. So we can write in parallel lines the alternate angles are equal because here the same slope. So the alternate angles are equal. Now let us write the pairs Here, while writing the pairs also, we can take an order for our convenience. Okay, that is, first we may write down the interior angles. Okay, the first angle is angle QMB and PNC. QMB. QMB, interior angle. First one started from Q and the other one started from P. QMB, this angle. The hands are QM and MB. Here this color angle. So which are the hands of this? Start from P. P, N and NC. These are the hands of the angle. So we can write angle PNC, naming the angle. So that is the first pair, that measure is 130 degree. The second pair, again interior angles. Which are the interior angles? The second pair is QMA. How will you name? Start the interior angle, start from Q. QMA, 50 degree, and then we have to start from P. This green angle. Here this green angle. Which are the hands? P, N and N, D. So angle name is angle P, N, D. So the pair of interior angles, here it is 50 degree. Then exterior angles. Exterior angle, which is the first pair? Angle PMB. The first pair we can write it as, here start from P. Exterior angle start from P for convenience. PMB and this yellow angle. Which is the other yellow angle? QNC. Start from Q. QNC. Both 50 degree. Here also 50 degree. Then the last pair is, angle PMA and angle QND. The measurement is 130 degree. In parallel lines, the alternate angles are equal. In the same way, if the alternate angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. That also you have to bear in mind. Okay, thank you.